Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn Russian and European literature together, step by step. Russian and European realism turn the spotlight inward. Instead of grand adventures, these novels show ordinary life truthfully and dive deep into the mind. Characters carry layered, sometimes contradictory motives, wrestling with guilt, faith, and the meaning of their choices. When you read this tradition, the real action happens inside a person's head. Learn to follow that interior drama, and the books come alive. These writers mastered the omniscient narrator, a voice that sees into every character's mind and tells us what they'd never confess aloud. Sometimes the narration blurs with a character's own thoughts, a move called free indirect speech. This control matters, because the narrator quietly shapes how we judge each person. Track whose head you're in, and you'll catch the author guiding your sympathy. Picture a man who resolves to confess a wrong, then freezes at the door. Pride tells him to stay silent while his conscience argues back through a sleepless night. Notice the battle isn't with another person, it's man versus self. Russian and European fiction lives in this internal struggle. When you see a character at war with their own conscience, you've found the heart of the scene. This literature loves the big questions. Give a struggling clerk a moral choice, and suddenly the story is asking whether a good goal can excuse a wrong act, and what human beings truly owe one another. The theme isn't pasted on, it grows directly from the character's dilemma. So when you meet a hard choice in these pages, pause and name the moral question it raises. To read the Russian and European greats, use 4 habits. 1. Follow the inner life, not only the plot. 2. Track the narrator's point of view and how it steers your judgment. 3. Locate the man versus self-conflict driving the character. 4. Name the big moral question the story is testing. Do this, and these dense, brilliant novels become deeply rewarding. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.